Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with a brand new video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another video. And as you can see on your screen, we are taking orders for the January primary trade lines. That's right, taking orders for the primary trade lines that should be expected to hit your credit somewhere late January, maybe early February. It just depends on what credit monitoring service that you have. So I don't want everybody calling me up like the day of, that they think it's going to be the 29th or the 30th or something like that. Please do not blow my phone up. Be a little bit of patient, guys. Be patient. Be patient, and it will be there. So this month we will have no mishaps. I'm going to say that. We're not going to have any mishaps. Okay, maybe we might have one or two or something like that. For the most part, we're going to get this thing right this month. I'm going to take care of everybody that had mishaps last month, like I told you guys in the last video. I'm going to leave a link down in the description to the last video, so if you guys have not seen it, go back and watch that video, how I said I'm going to take care of everything, and so I don't have to really cover it in this video right here. But let's go ahead and take a look at this credit profile. So this credit profile right here is actually someone that a lot of you might know. So I'm going to go ahead and say his name. His name is Gerard. You guys know Gerard. He works with me. And so here's what we've done with his credit over the last, I would say the last year, so to speak. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because these primary trade lines that you're purchasing, you can end up with the exact same results as Gerard did. So let's go over this. On his credit profile, what he has is a motorcycle loan that is $5,600 that's only 5 months old. He has a Capital One credit card that has 2.5K, which is $2,500, and it's only 7 months old. He also has a Navy Fed Platinum card with a $700 limit. It's only 6 months old. So that's the thing right there. Getting yourself a relationship with these credit unions. You want to do that. Get yourself some relationships with some credit unions, and don't worry about what they give you in the beginning, because you're going to come back a couple months later and they're going to really hook you up. So the next thing he has is a My Jewelers Club card or account for $5,000. And it is 1 year old. He also has a Hutton Chase for $2,000, and it's also 1 year old. There's really not that much credit history for what I'm about to show you guys next. He doesn't have that much. So take a look at what he actually received. Bam! That's right. He received a Navy Fed flagship card for $25,000. And he also received an American Express Platinum with no limit. So that's the type of things that you guys will be able to do with, say, having this primary. It will help your credit out to allow you guys to be able to get those bigger lines. But you guys also still need to be patient, because it's not an overnight thing. You will still need to create relationships, and you still need to have some other accounts. So you can't just have these primary lines that I'm offering and that's it. No. You need to have other things on your credit, but you only need a couple, as you just saw. Let's go back and look at Gerard's credit profile. As you can see, he only has 5 accounts there. And the oldest is just a year old, that's My Jewelers Club and Hutton Chase. But everything else is less than 7 months. So you don't have to have that much credit history to be able to do some extraordinary things with these credit unions. I just wanted to show you guys this. You have until the 23rd to get your primary trade lines in, and there will be no exceptions this month. If you're not in by the 23rd, you will have to wait till the following month for your trade lines to post. Now, let's talk about the 2 trade lines that we have, the 2 primary trade lines we have. The first one up is a low trade line. So we have a low trade line and we have a high trade line, but we're going to talk about the low trade line first. So the low trade line, here's what you can expect. You can expect a credit limit between $6,000 and $10K, with history between 1 to 2 years. Now, if you think about Gerard's credit, he didn't have anything over 1 year, and he really didn't have anything over 6K. So if you get a trade line of 6K, 7K, 8K, 9K, 10K, you're doing better than Gerard did. And then if you have those other supporting files, guess what? You guys can also get yourself a what? $25,000 credit card. So let's go ahead and look at the second high trade line. So the high trade line, you'll receive credit limit between 15K to 20K with history 3 years to 6 years. That'll really help boost it. Now you could also stack this file and you can get the low and the high, and we'll just stack the file from low to high, which means older, smaller, newer, bigger. So the lower one, we would make that smaller and older, and we'll make the newer one bigger but with less history. So to stack your file. That is a really good technique that we use around here to help people get funding. Now, the deadline for this is the 23rd of this month, and there will be no exception. So if you come on the 24th, you are going to miss it. You have to have everything in by the 23rd for your line to post this month or by the first part of next month, depending on what credit monitoring service you have. Like I said before, please don't blow our phones up if it does not post on the 29th or the 30th. It will post. And like I said, it just depends on what credit monitoring service you have. So please don't blow our phones up. And that's going to do it for this video, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And until the next video, I'm out. Peace.